Hi, whenever I try to place or register my exams in Smarter Proctoring, I start with the form because attaching the form when you register your exams through Smarter Proctoring is a part of that registration. And the information here on this form should be congruent, exactly the same, the information that we're going to place in Smarter Proctoring. But that's just a preference. So when you open the link, we're going to log in with our WakeTech credentials, and the form automatically opens with your name and with your office number. So I'm going to fill in this form for 171, section 001G, and this is test number 1. And this is for my online class. For my home number, I'm going to give my home number 6571234. Okay, and then test day for 171 from September 7th to September 9th. Time limit is 100 regular student time limit. Don't worry about the DSS. I don't put the extension time here. I send a separate email for the DSS student. Now this portion is important because this is we have to be detailed here what we are allowing to student. I'm allowing students have scratch paper and they can have calculator. And we need to write down the calculator model here, TI-36X or TI-36X. All right, that's it. So this we've done. We fill in this form, only one test. If it is an online class, we have to fill it in test 2, test 3, test 4, and final exam. If you're teaching a hybrid class, you have to fill it in test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. Hybrid classes are going to have final exams in class. Now, we have to print this form as a PDF and save it somewhere. So, print a PDF. And it will download the form. Okay, if I can, you can't see my data, so the download is going to be open somewhere. And I need to save this form. Just save it on my downloads. Let's say take form test 1. All right, that's saved. Now I'm gonna go to my Blackboard site. This is my 171 site. So I don't have the registration. I'm going to add it as a tool. I'm gonna go to plus sign, tool link. I need to find the tool link here, Smarter Proctoring. You can keep the name as it is, Smarter Proctoring, or give any name you want because this is for students also. And submit. So you can place this link anywhere you want to on the navigation menu. The link is not shown yet, so I'm going to say show the link so students can register from here. So this serves for two purposes. One, students will register to their test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4s, and final exam if it is online. 2, e-LTC will know your exam dates and conditions. So I'm going to click on this and it will take me to Smarter Proctoring page. My dashboard is empty. So I'm going to create a new exam. Okay. All right, don't worry about the error. So exam name, it's test 1. Description you can pass. So exam time, we place 1 hour, so it will be 1 hour. Okay. 40 minutes because it was written 100 minutes on there. Password NA, exam URL NA, consecutive attempts 1, exam opens. So our exam was opening September 7th. What time you want your exam open? So you can make the exam open the earliest time that e-LTC open. I'm not sure, but I guess it was 8:30 a.m. And you want the exam close. e-LTC closes on Friday 4:30 p.m. If you want to have a scheduling window open, you can drag it and create a scheduling window. I don't do that. You can schedule anytime. Now, drag files here, we have to place our test 1 and tick form that we created. So I'm going to go ahead and find the tick file that we created. That's going to go there. But test 1 is not ready for 171. You can only submit this to e-LTC, which is fine. That's what they're expecting at this point. But before your exam, a week before the exam opens, I have to place my test 1 here. For instance, this exam is opening 7th of September. So by September 2nd, I have to open this and attach my exam also. So I'm going to continue. We're only allowing a calculator and TI-36 or TI-36X. Okay, none of these are allowed. Other items, so continue. This is NA, notes for proctors. So I don't know, we have a control over this. No matter how I adjust the settings, it just acts by itself. So I'm gonna still do all this possible, because you might have some students 50 miles away from Wake Tech and they might be taking their test there, and you might be using e-LTC for it. So, I mean, e-LTC changed that, I guess. I don't think that we have a control over this defaults, but. And then confirm. So it's pending approval. e-LTC will see that, and they will send you an email in a couple of days. So we've received your exams, so students can register. That's done. One thing left. Once the exam is open, because all of us now have to register for our exams, but the exams are not ready, we have to get into edit exam again, finding this exam and attaching our test, paper test, preferably PDF form, I suggest, not the Word, and save it.